Hello everyone, myself Sampada Khandade, student of Datta Mege Institute of Management Studies. Name of the organization Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil. Internship position Finance and Account Intern. Location Katol. Organization history. The Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Pune has been established on 23rd March 1984 as per the provision of Section 39A of the Maharashtra Agriculture Produce Marketing Development and Regulation Act of 1963. During the year 2017 and 18, under report Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board has completed 34 years of its dedicated service to farming community. Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board is very much proud of the development work it has done through its last 34 years works in the field of agriculture marketing in the state of Maharashtra. During the year, Under Report Marketing Board has implemented various project scheme, new program for farmers and farmer cooperative organization to modernize and strengthen the agriculture marketing system. MSAMB objectives. As per the provision of Maharashtra Agriculture Produce Marketing Development and Regulation Act 1963, Section 39J, the board shall perform the following function and shall have power to do such thing as may be necessary or expedient of carrying out of this function. Number one, to coordinate the functions of the market community including program undertaken by such market committee for the development of market and market areas. Number second is to undertake state level planning of the development of the agriculture produce market. Number third is to maintain the administrator the agriculture marketing development fund. Number four is to give an advice to market committee it generally or any market committee in particular with a view to ensuring improvement in the function. Therefore, number five is the supervisors in guide the market committees in the preparation of plans and estimate to construction program undertaken by them. To make necessary agreement for propaganda and publicity on the matters relating to marketing agriculture produce, to grant supervision and loans to the market committee for the purpose of this act and such term as the condition it as may determine, to arrange the organization seminar, workshop, exhibition on subject relating to agriculture marketing and giving training to members and employees of market committees to do such other things is as may be a general interest relating to the marketing of agricultural produce to carry out of other functions specifically introduced to it by this act to carry out which of the function of like nature as may be entrusted to it by the state government. Mission and vision of the organization. Mission. The main mission as an under to promote of visibility and growth of agro cooperative which are an effective instrument of society and economic justice in furtherance to fulfillment of directive principles of state policy and enriched in part of fourth of the Constitution of India to development participative, transparent, and scientific agriculture, horticulture, farming, and marketing system with the aquatic infrastructure and user-friendly initiative to protect economic right and interest and political rights to cooperative to promote transparency and accountability in the cooperative movement through standardize and it produce and practice and timely conduct of audit election to provide financial technical and policy aid and all the possible existence to cooperatives in member of order to reduce poverty, equality, unfairness and depopulation in the weaker section, etc. for the specified period to be determined by state legislators. Vision statement. The main vision of the organization is to be strengthened, boost up and enhancing the process of agro-product cooperative movement in which broadly aim at the socio-economic development of the farmer and try to bring most development activities under the umbrella of cooperation department in the state through the cooperative sector in all levels. Responsibility and activities is an intern. Following responsibility were assigned. Number one is maintaining transaction record for the farmers in Katol Tahsil. Number second is work of data management of farmer in Katol Tahsil. Number third is maintaining the record about a NAFED for Katol Tahsil. Number fourth is rectifying the seven Satbara related record. Number five is filling the payment transaction of each farmer. Objectives of SIP. To know the transaction structure of Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil. To understand the concept of NAFED in Katol Tahsil. To understand the terms and conditions associated with NAFED. To know the dealing and farmers with the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil. To understand different finance and account related terms involved in NAFED. To understand overall working Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil. Concept learned during SIP. General concept learned. Working of Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil. Dealing the farmers with refers to their info product. Government policy toward agro product. Government preparation toward promoting agro industry. System of maintaining record for Satwara. Concept related to the finance and account, check related transaction, financial estimation, government rate structure with a reference to agro product, audit structure of Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board Katol Tahsil, accounting terms such as a bank reconciliation, bank related transaction with a reference to NAFED, different use of Tally ERP 9.0. Thank you.